I'm at one of the coolest things that happens every year here in Elkhart, Indiana, is the dealer showcase. We're gonna see all the new stuff, all the exciting things. So let's go check it out. I was really excited to see all the adventure line put out by Tiffin Motorhomes this year. Their GH2 adventure van has been a huge hit, and it showed. At almost 23 feet in length and lots of functional storage areas, it definitely was one of the rigs I wanted to check out first. Tiffin appointed it with lots of quality details, such as a mounted step to help you get in and out of bed. I also wanted to take another peek at the Tiffin Open Trail. I did a full walkthrough of a previous video, and I'll leave a link above for you to check out. Now it's time to see what Grand Design has to offer. Okay, I'm very excited about this new Lineage series. Look at this, we've got a Series F there, we've got a Series M, and we've got the vans. So let's go take a look and see which one you guys like the most. Started digging this one, look at that. Really nice. All right, here we go.
Tension it up.
All right, so let's talk about this. So they got a Girard powered awning. Love that, solar awning. We've got 720 watt peak. That's interesting. Let's take a look at this. 48 volt system, love that. We've got a pop top. They've got lots of different ideas here. Okay, we're looking at about 21 feet in length. And gross weight's almost 10,000, so not too bad. Love this extended table. How cool is that? Let's take a look at this. So we're on a Ford. Let's start with that. We are on a Ford chassis, and we've got nice 2 seats here in the back. Really nice long kitchen counter. Really nice cabinets. An interesting shower system. This is the one where the shower actually comes down from the ceiling right in the middle, and it comes out. It's a really interesting thing. Look at this. So this moves around, and here you have a toilet, and then this wall can move around and becomes your shower system. So you can move it on the tracks way up there. How cool is that? Interesting way of saving space. Love that. Now you are going to have your shower, of course, now in the middle of your van, and that's another thing you got to think about. So we're going to have moisture to think about. But a really interesting way they've done this. Lots of room with your, if you want to put some gear down here. I don't see any tracks on the ground. What do you guys think about this? Interesting pop-up storage. One of my other questions I have, they don't have the pizza box, which we typically have. They actually have a window up here with a shade. It's an interesting idea. It makes it feel more airy, but would you be missing that storage? Okay, neither rain nor shine will keep us from taking video of vans. So we're here. This is at the Grand Design area, and this is the LVT2. Very excited about this. Design, really cool. I love this area. It is so bright. This has a pop top, which is nice. Got to go in now. Right in the entryway, you have your fridge freezer, and got a little pop-up way up there. It's a little rainy day today. They have an Aqua Haven rain shower system, which is pretty interesting. So the whole idea on these is they're really using space, and they've got their shower in the middle of the room. Really neat. Really nice. Bed, of course, goes up and down. So you got lots of garage space. Things to lock things in. Oh, can't see behind me. That's the special secret sauce. They're doing a really new ProMaster fun design back there. We'll talk about that a little later. And of course, you've got that movable door. Ooh, and that gorgeous, easy bathroom. And a nice mirror. Love that. Very cute. All right. Trying to think how this works. I think this comes up. There we go. Nice cabinets. And you've got that skylight in the front on a Ford chassis. They do like their transit chassis. One thing I haven't talked about, they're looking at the Furrion chill cubes, which I love these Furrions. I think they're really neat. They also have the undermount cooktop. So you've got an induction cooktop right there, which is pretty cool. We all know Storyteller makes vans. They do a great job with their vans. They're beast mode, they've got a bear mode, they've got a classic mode, but now they've got these Hilts and Epics, and the Hilts are really something. Take a look.
That's Yeti fur.
Yeti fur.
That's Tiffin mint.
I want to call it olive, but that's okay.
You can call it olive.
It's cute.
It's a beautiful grain.
It's a beautiful green. I like green.
Really beautiful grain.
I mean, I think which one's been your most popular?
Our cement is the most popular.
Yeah.
It's a blue gray.
So if you don't want a van and you want a little Class C, take a look at this because this is really cute. I love this. It's a 22. It's gas and sleeps 5. All right, you know I love a good Class C. Let's go take a look at this Sunflyer. It is a Ford. You've got your propane. Love the propane. Okay, it's a 26 FE floor plan. Look at this. It's a gas. It's 20.5 in length and supposedly sleeps 6. Look at this, guys. You walk in, your bedroom's in the back. Got a really cute dinette area right here. Now here's the kicker, guys. Look at this. Above the seats is a huge space and it's tall. So you got lots of room back up here with a TV. So this could be your main bed if you wanted it. But as we turn around, get to the sink, got a propane cooktop, nice stove, nice refrigerator. Look at this big bed back here. Really nice size bed. And a nice bath and shower. I think this is a great alternative for people who want a little bit bigger than van life and want to have some space. Look at all that storage. Oh, this is great. Where'd he go? He's here. He's there. He's everywhere. This is Chris. Chris is awesome. And he's going to show me the new, what'd you say, High Trail?
High Trail package.
High Trail package on the Revel. I want to know what this looks like. The High Trail package has, look at this gorgeous black paint on the hood. It's got a different grille with vertical bars. Look how snazzy that looks. Okay, what else?
And then there's a little black exhaust tip, so it's just an exterior.
It's like a little exterior upgrade. This looks really nice. I love this. And the Revel, of course, you know, they set the standard, you know, when you start looking at vans.
And this is the new EC layout, so it's the full-on Revel, but with the side-facing seat.
I love that. Now, I will say, I'm telling you this, what's happening on the other side, I'm watching. This is 1000% needed.
Yeah.
I like the side-facing seat.
Package back to the Travato.
I like the National Park package.
So what it's going to consist of is the National Park.
So we're the National Park graphic, which I like.
And the logo up at the top.
Very
there.
nice with the logo.
Ooh. Is a rock guard.
Doing a rock guard on the bottom. Love that. Look at this interesting flooring, guys. Look at this. How cool is that?
And then on the inside, you'll get the van-made gear cover for the vent.
Working with Van May Gear, we love those guys. They're fantastic, Ann. Ooh, and
the
nice
National Park
covers.
logoed cab window covers.
All right, so here's the Solis.
So Solis.
Look at this one. Got a pop top.
Graphics package.
Look at the new graphics on the out. Look at that. Very snazzy.
On the inside,
Okay, let's take a look at the inside. Chris is gonna open this up. And we have,
so
dun dun
you got
dun,
the fold-down table on the P and PX now,
nice new fold-down table like that.
which you've done on Revel, and the pockets. This is new on the P and PX. Whole new interior colorway.
Ooh.
So the flooring is
Look
different.
at this, the big couch in the back. I love this.
That couch is a new option on the PX.
Okay, you've got lots of space back here if you want to put anything. But I love the couch.
So in the pocket in the 59P, you can now order them with generators. We did have them before.
Ooh, okay, pocket and 59P, you can now order a generator. That's nice. I love that.
This is that same coat interior. Apply this new pocket.
So now we have, so this is the new pocket interior. Nice.
If we look to the back there,
Okay.
you see we now have wind sleep mattresses in all vans.
Oh, the wind sleep mattresses are fantastic.
And so whether it's Solis, Travato, or Revel,
I love
Yeah.
these things. Love these things. Very cool. It's okay. Yeah, look, shake the head, shake the head, make it look pretty. We're done. Okay. All right. You think it's all about the RVs. Oh no, it's always about the people. Guess who I'm with? I'm with Trey Ann, of course, and Blair. FRVTA. Am I saying that right?
You are, yes.
It's a lot of letters, otherwise known as the Florida RV Association. Really, really cool. Bottom line is, guys, you got to go to the Florida Super Show. They have lots of great RV shows, and we're just talking about some upcoming things that might happen at the Florida Super Show. So,
We will see you there.
see you there. So, if you guys know my story, this is Bob. Bob's
Hi.
awesome. So, it was Bob's fault that I got a Winnebago Echo, right, Bob?
Right.
I can
that's
blame
right.
it on him. And we were at the Music City Motorhome Expo in Nashville, and I'm going to be back there next year. So, you guys need to come out there.
Awesome.